Hello, in this video we will be going over how to create composite components. Composite components are a combination of components and flex attributes that can be stored as a template so you can save and use on different forms. So in this video we're going to create a simple card style composite component with a edit box, a combo box, and a date combo box. So to get started, we're going to put down a flex layout, and I'm going to make the width 50. And then we're going to go ahead and edit the flex layout, and I'm going to make it a vertical box. And we're going to add 9 more regions. All right, so for the first 9 here, we're going to set them all to form unit. And then for each third one, we're going to make the size 3. This will be where our actual component will go, like our edit box. And then we're going to make these two, the bottom 2 for each 3, also fill, so that our component spans the entire flex. All right. And then once you have that, we're going to go ahead and start adding our components. So we're going to start with our edit, and the first big flex, we're going to put our combo box in the second one, and the date combo in the third one. All right, once you have that, we're going to go ahead and add our statics for our labels, and we're going to put them above the boxes. So we're going to put one here, one here, and one more above the date. And then we're going to go ahead and give them captions of label. I'm going to put the justification to left, and we're going to change the font size to 10. And then we're going to repeat that for the other 2. So caption label, font 10, and justification left. And then same for the third. All right. And then also we're going to scroll down to miscellaneous and to no colon, and we're going to set that to true. All right. And once we have all that, I'm going to regen the form so that the statics will update. And there you go. We have our first composite component with labels for an edit box, a combo box, and a date combo box. And to save our composite component, we're going to select the outermost flex region. We're going to right click, save as template. The first part will be the folder that it saves in, and the second part will be the name of the composite component. So we're going to call this one tutorial card. Make sure you click off of it to make sure it saves. And then you can change the description if you want. And then when you're done with that, you just click OK. I'm going to have to click OK on this because it already exists. And then we can go over to our component templates in our toolbox, scroll down to the folder that we have, click on our composite component, and we can go ahead and create it, and then we can duplicate it and use it on any form that we want. And then for another example of a composite component, we have this header bar. So if you had multiple forms that have the same header bar, you can create a composite component for it and just add it to your forms. Make it really simple and easy. And that concludes the tutorial on how to make composite components. They're a great tool to make a combination of components that you can use on any of your forms. And instead of creating them every time, they are saved in the toolbox for you to use whenever you want.